in the studio. Powerhouse in the world of travel, Mansi Shah, born in Mumbai, raised in UAE, an entrepreneur at heart. She co-founded City One Tourism and Travel, a brand that has shaped the UAE's tourism landscape for 14 years. From curating unforgettable travel experiences to playing a key role in the Vande Bharat mission, Mansi believes travel is more than movement. It's about connections, reunions, and memories. हमारे साथ in the studio we also have Priyesh Sethi with us, AGM Marketing at Tally Solutions, and the brain behind Zaria, Tally ka Ramadan initiative that's making homecomings possible for those who long to celebrate Eid with their families. With a passion for marketing that creates real impact, he's here to share how brands can move beyond business to touch lives. Good morning and welcome to Talk 100.3.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, Priyesh.
Good morning.
I'm only good till I travel.
I love that.
And that's why I'm happy and merry, because I'm going to be traveling day after tomorrow.
Oh,
Yeah.
So this is going to be a key talk for me and for all the listeners out there. क्योंकि हमें सब वो travel plans करना है, and we want to know the tricks and treats out there for us to know.
absolutely.
So yeah, festival-driven tourism पे बातें होंगी. The initiative that Zaria has, Priyesh will talk about that as well. So inspiring conversation होगा. You want to get in touch with us? You can always send us a WhatsApp 0586861003. So Mansi, celebration के टाइम, फेस्टिवल के टाइम पे tourism, it's at a boom. Especially आपने notice किया है, Mansi?
Yes, absolutely. Totally agree to that. I think as soon as, if to the listeners and all of us, if when we just close our eyes and say the word festival, that itself gives a spark in our minds. So I think festival definitely booms with income, and it also helps a lot in bonding. So I think that makes a lot of difference.
Right. And Priyesh, about Zaria, अगर आप थोड़ा हमें बता सके about Zaria.
So, Zaria, the thought behind Zaria was how do we create a bridge? Bridge for people, and bridge that, reduces the distances. The idea came, it's not that we wanted to do it today, but this dream was there, like this idea was there for last couple of years in my mind. One thing that came was from the fact that we keep meeting a lot of people around us who are working all the time. The office boy, the security guards, and during this festival occasion, you will see a lot of them are fasting, and a lot of them would want to go celebrate Eid with their family. Even if we give them a day off, a week off, is it enough? Because we also have understood that during these festival occasions, the tourism is pretty expensive, not affordable at all. So no matter you have a weekly off, you have enough ample of leaves, can you really travel? Can you go celebrate with them? And that's where Tally came in, and we thought, why only just giving free meals to people? Why not extend the idea of celebrations? Eid is all about meeting families, celebrating. So even if we can send few people home, that'll give enough, happiness, and might create an initiative, a spark for the rest of the, corporates to join hands and make it big.
Right.
So Mansi, have you seen a shift in the way people travel, especially during the festival times? It's more of cultural immersion that they're looking for beyond, just going and taking a break. Also something on a luxury travel, like for example, going and checking out museums of luxury brands and, figuring out some curated experiences.
Yes, absolutely. I think right now, in the current situation, I feel travel has opened a lot of grounds in different aspects. We have, I feel in today's time, travelers are so well knowledged. Like they have a well idea of what are they looking for, and so before they travel, they know it all, which actually helps us as travel agents, because of course, we more than welcome if somebody, we have people where they just come in and say that, this is our budget and we want to travel.
Okay.
Please just send us, which is also perfect, because then we get to share our creativity.
Right.
And then you have group of people who know what they want, and then we are just their Zaria, as we say. We're just their Zaria to get them to that destination.
Mansi, I would love to know about City One Tourism, the brand that you've established, Vande Bharat mission mein. Fantastic initiatives आपने लिए हैं. How did it start, City One Tourism? As a kid, have you traveled a lot?
Yes, absolutely. So I think we are a family of travel enthus. So I think that's how
Nice.
that's how it got created from my mother-in-law, who's our partner Himali Shah, my husband. This is his dream vision company. So he is into traveling. I think all of us in the house, we were just, like I said, travel enthusiasts got together in a family, which just made it easier for us to start the company. And of course, when you travel, you also learn a lot. So we do that when we travel as a family also. And then that was just our vision, making sure that it gets across to people. And then, of course, it goes from there.
Amazing, yeah. So,
I just want to
yeah.
just want to add, City One and Tally go hand in hand for a long time now. I'm sure you are familiar with our initiative MSME Honors, and in 2021 we celebrated MSME, but in 2021 we first inaugurated MSME Honors, and Himali Shah was one of the wonder women from the very first MSME Honor Initiative celebrations. And Vande Bharat, since you mentioned, I think this is such a great initiative of City One Tours that brought attention of the jury and got this award, got this honor on your
Yes.
name. I think this is wonderful.
I think when when this mission happened, I still remember a lot of people, and of course, we all know what a phase that was and how difficult that whole COVID situation was. So a lot of people today tell us that were you very far-sighted as a company to have been thought, but I think at that point it was more about creating a situation for what we could see around, and you could see around that all people wanted. And this is the thing about, you talk about travel, you talk about holidays, people are here working. When it comes to a situation, a difficult situation, all you can think of is family. So all they wanted was to go back to their family. And I think that's how this thought came, that the least we can do is, because we were with our family, we were blessed to be in a safe country with our family, and the only thought that came was that this is the right time to make sure we do, because we are from the travel industry and we have that possibility. So I think that's where Punit got in, and he said that let's do this. Let's make sure that we collaborate with the Indian government, and we do this where we do the
And if you
the
see,
mission.
वो time पे क्या हुआ था ना कि the ticket prices were really high. लेकिन वंदे भारत मिशन का एक बहुत amazing part था कि वो economical rates पे भी allow कर रहे थे lot of people. So that is
Correct.
that mission that
Correct.
was a hit
No,
amongst everyone.
it just came out like the whole concept of it was just simply the fact that we want people to go back to their family. That's it, So when you have that vision, I think it just makes it easier to get to the mission.
But एक बार वो खत्म हो गया, उसके बाद everybody wanted to go to
Yes.
different parts of the
Yes.
world explore. What are the hot destinations people are exploring, Mansi?
Currently, oh, wow, when somebody very wise said that world is actually not just your neighboring countries, but it's a very big plate of different items. So it is. I think so of course we have Georgia, Armenia, Baku,
Yep.
which are very close to
Yeah.
Dubai. And people have been to Maldives, Mauritius, but now they want to discover places like Vietnam. Vietnam has really boomed. And it's amazing because you have whatever you're looking for. For a nature and you have that. For somebody who is looking for shopping, Vietnam is very good for that. They have their own very good rich history, culture, so you can for that. So Vietnam, of course, is my new favorite destination.
कितना
So-
million dirham लगता है उसके लिए? मैंने सुना कि
जरा
millions में
भी
वहाँ पे
नहीं,
होता है. हाँ?
जरा
Priyesh,
भी
have you
नहीं.
been there?
No, I've not been to
That's the best
Vietnam
part
yet.
of Vietnam, On a serious note, for somebody who's on a travel budget can also travel to Vietnam. So I think that's the best part.
I've heard a couple of more names like Kyrgyzstan,
Yes.
Kazakhstan. I think they've started picking up
Yes,
as well,
absolutely. Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan.
especially during winters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get snow, right? Why not?
Interesting. तो या फेस्टिवल्स के टाइम पे ट्रैवल एंड ईद ये ऐसा फेस्टिवल है जहाँ पे यू वांट टू सेलिब्रेट विद योर फैमिली. So
Yeah.
जरिया का प्रोसेस क्या है that if people want to, and how are you selecting people?
Yeah, so very nice question. I think a lot of people who are hearing us should pay attention to this now. what we've done is we've collaborated with City One Tours, and we are right now seeking nominations. So if you, even Vivek, if you know someone who deserves, who's missing out on meeting their family for years now, I think those stories have to be brought into our attention. This process is very simple. On our Instagram account, Tallymeena, TALLYMENA, you can go and you'll see the first few posts is about the campaign which we have launched over the weekend. And there's a link in the bio of our Instagram handle. You just go there, click, and fill in the details. It's very small form, 2 or 3 fields. That's it. The name of the person who deserves to go. A short story about why do you think he should go visit, and then we are forming a panel from Tally and City One Tours together, who will go through all those stories and pick the most deserving people.
And how many are you going to pick? And do they need to have an Instagram account जिनको nominate किया कर रहे हैं?
Not really, but someone who's nominating should have an Instagram account, or otherwise how will they send the nomination? But all we need is the name of the person and a phone number so that we can get in touch with them and hear from the horse's mouth, understand what pain they're going through and why is it so essential for them to go and celebrate the Eid together.
Right, it's a wonderful initiative here.
And it's not just about giving them a flight ticket. It's a to and fro flight, first of all. And then we are also arranging a airport pickup and drop facility along with some ED for the kids and family who are going back home. Yeah.
Very interesting question एक हमें आया है. इन्होंने नाम ने लिखा है. उन्होंने कहा कि I hope this is okay to ask. AB का सवाल है. There are a lot of online packages जो आपको मिलते हैं which are very, very cheap, How do you compete with that, and can you get anything cheaper than that also?
Yes, absolutely. So we are one of those companies who do that for our Eid packages. We have, so these are fixed departures, and
Okay.
why they are amazing is because if you have a thought that I want to travel for these Eid holidays, it's perfect because and you're on a budget, and you can always just come to us. We have these fixed departures, like for this coming Eid, we have for Kenya, we have for
Oh, nice.
Armenia, we have for Kyrgyzstan.
Sold out नहीं है अभी तक?
नहीं अभी तक completely नहीं है.
Okay.
So there's still a chance, but yes, we do sell these things really fast because, like I said, people are so aware right now. They know that they want to travel. So these packages help a lot because they cover everything. It's not just your flight tickets. It's
Okay.
also the tours. आपको पता है ईद के टाइम पे just the flight tickets are so exorbitant. This price covers everything. In fact, we have a lot of business owners who keep this as an incentive for their employees.
Oh,
Because it's
interesting.
perfect because they get, and I mean, yes, of course, an extra commission in the green notes helps a lot. But again, in today's time, travel is something that people are looking for, So you have your 3 nights, 4 days, and which is amazing. You can travel and you can gift it to somebody too. So it goes to as low as 2,000. We have done that. So
Wow.
which is covering everything: your tickets, your stay, your tours. So,
Right,
yeah.
we got a question from Rajan. कह रहे कि good morning. Totally agree with travel. As long as it is with family and friends who is fun, travel for work is boring. So ये भी होता है difference that is it luxury or leisure travel या फिर work related travel, you do that also?
Yes, we do. We do host a lot of MNCs. We host corporate events all over the world, for that matter. We've had a amazing time with an event company where we had hosted the group to Nepal, in Nepal, which was amazing.
Okay.
And so, like I said, it's not just individual incentives that the business owners want
As
to
a
give
group,
to them,
yeah.
but they take them for the group, and then they have their trainings there, and they also have it along with leisure. So they do have tours. So,
I
yeah.
remember we had partnered during GITEX as well in
Yes,
2022,
yes.
where City One Tours had given some free tickets to people who visited our booth.
Yes.
It was through some selection. I don't remember exactly, but yes, there were 3 winners who went to Georgia. All expenses paid by City One Tours and Tally. So that was an amazing one. Yeah.
So, Mansi, as someone who understands emotions tied to travel, how do you see Zaria changing lives this Ramadan?
So I want to share this short note that happened just day before yesterday. I was talking to one of my friend, he came to know about a favor that I might want, that he thinks that he could help me with.
Okay.
And I called him and I said, listen, I really, really don't want to take a favor because, you know, we want to do something by ourselves. And I said, I really don't want to trouble you for this. And his reply was, but yaar, मैं favor नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I am just the madhyam. I'm only the zaria to get it done. And when Priyesh and I were talking, I could just remember his words. And so I think when it comes to this, am I or is City One being the reason for somebody to reach their home? No, I think we are just the zaria.
Yeah.
And I feel that makes a lot of difference, especially where City One comes from. Like we know about during the COVID times also, I think the whole Vande Bharat mission that happened was because there was a thought behind it. And you cannot have a travel, you can't be a travel addict without understanding emotions, because I feel travel really enhances your empathy, your emotions, is because you want to get connected to that place. So I feel Zaria is just going to be an added on boost. I think it's a privilege to be associated with Zaria. Thank you.
Beautiful, yaar. You know, Tally का जो Ramadan initiative है, that's making homecomings possible. It's called Zaria. For those who long to celebrate Eid with their families. इस पे और डिस्कस करेंगे मानसी शाह in our studios with Priyesh Sethi. सुनते रहिए. अगर आपके पास कोई भी सवाल, you can always send us a WhatsApp 0586861003. Daybreak आप सुन रहे हैं. विवेक और निकिता आपके साथ.
Joining us in the studio is the powerhouse in the world of travel, Mansi Shah. Born in Mumbai, raised in UAE, an entrepreneur at heart, she co-founded City One Tourism and Travel, a brand that she has shaped the UAE's tourism landscape over 14 years. From curating unforgettable travel experiences to playing a key role in Vande Bharat mission, Mansi believes travel is more than movement. It's about connections, reunions, and memories. We also have Priyesh Sethi, AGM Marketing at Tally Solutions, and the brain behind Zaria, Tally's Ramadan initiative, that's making homecomings possible for those who long to celebrate Eid with their families. With a passion for marketing that creates real impact, here he's sharing how brands can move beyond business to touch lives. Together, we're talking about travel trends and festival-driven tourism and the beautiful initiative that's called Zaria. So stay tuned with us. We'll be talking more with Mansi and Priyesh. So carrying on this conversation, Mansi, you were talking about, you know, travel and your enthusiasm for travel for over 15 years now.
Yeah.
Mansi, can you share that one moment of, an experience that somebody shared back with you who's connected with City One Tourism? Ki, this was something epic for us and you've made our life.
Right. So there was this time when we'd helped 4 generations travel, and it was amazing because there were 4 generations. So we had, of course, the great grandmother, grandmother, the mother, and the daughter, and all the 4 of them were looking to travel to a destination where they could take a holiday. And they wanted to do it because they wanted to make memories together. It was very heart touching because just after they were back in a few months, they lost their great grandmother. So I think, but till day, whenever I meet, and she is a regular client still, I think till day, whenever she meets, we cannot not have that conversation. Like we've always spoken about that incident or that travel, because it's just close not just to her heart, but I think to all of us.
Where
Undoubtedly.
did they travel?
They went to Mauritius.
Mauritius.
Exotic
Yes,
location.
Exotic location.
So start thinking about your 4 generation. Going to Mauritius, and you know whom to contact.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, you know, amazing initiative, Zaria as well. You also mentioned that brands can get involved and be a part of this,
Yep.
and something more meaningful for the brands to do.
Yep.
How should they approach Zaria or, you know, the entire concept and make it their initiative?
Yeah. So I think first it's very important to understand what kind of campaign is this.
Right.
The campaigns like Zaria go beyond traditional marketing.
Okay.
It's actually it's a way for us to connect to people and on a deeper level. Understand what is the genuine problem that we are trying to solve and be authentic. If a campaign is taking care of, you know, reaching out to your audience, understanding their real pain and trying to solve something, you then have solved it. And if it is aligned with our values as a brand, and if there are more brands who want to align in a similar fashion, I think you're most welcome. So it's not like, you know, Tally has started this initiative and it belongs to us. The campaign says that, you know, be the Zaria. And if you want to be the Zaria, just get in touch. It's not about putting the name on top that tallies Zaria. It's more about, be the Zaria. So yes, I'm very happy. I think the entire leadership at Tally would welcome any brand. Like City One Tours was kind enough to join in this initiative. If there are more people who would want to celebrate, who would want to contribute and send more people back home and let them enjoy the festivities, I think we are more than happy.
So are you going to take care of the leaves and everything for the...
As I said in the previous question, so while you might be ready to give them leaves, what you can't really do is sponsor their trips, right? So
Yeah.
क्या बात है?
that's
Nice.
where we come in.
And how are you supporting Tally, Mansi, in this campaign, Zaria?
So we have collaborated. We are equal partners in this. We are looking to send people to their hometown because again, as we were talking, I think it's Eid, any kind of festival. I think it's incomplete if you're not with your family. Of course, family means family, relatives, friends. So I think we are just equal partners where we have collaborated and we're gonna help sponsor them with Tally to
Nice.
send them back home.
And the hometown has to be apna hometown, passport pe. Can it be America also for...
So
This time it's the hometown that is on your passport. Gradually we'll definitely collaborate. Priyesh and I are hearing you. We'll definitely collaborate and come with those two.
Imagine, yaar.
Yeah.
अमेरिका ट्रिप मिल रहा है. Schengen वीजा के लिए काफी लाइन है, काफी
Yes.
why is the buzz इतना जल्दी से for Europe?
So it's been over the time. I think it's been now, if I'm not mistaken, about a year and a half where it's kind of gotten a bit difficult to get your Schengen visa. But saying that, I think like any other good travel, if it is pre-planned, I think it's amazing. What I would suggest is if you are planning to even go next year and you think, oh, I have a year or so, I just say apply for your visa.
Okay.
Start the process. It just helps because it's just going to save a lot of time for you for the last minute. In fact, I would also, just a suggestion from a travel agent, if I can give, is that please call us. We are very much available. Our company loves to answer all the questions. It's okay. It's not the fact that you have to go through us, you have to book through us. That's a secondary part. Because we know we are gradually, the service that we provide, we know you're gradually going to come to you. But please call, please ask, because there are a lot of times where things are not updated. Because,
Right. Har
things are
airport ka
changing.
alag requirement,
Yes,
yeah.
absolutely. And things are changing. Like, if I may share, why go anywhere far? We have a new rule that says that grandparents cannot travel with their grandkids all by themselves. They need an NOC from both the parents, not just a single parent. So that is the new rule, that you cannot go even to your home country, be it Pakistan, India. You can't travel without the NOC. So this was something which you will not believe. I realized, even as a travel agent, I realized when I wanted to send my kids with their grandparents. So, you of course do your little bit survey, and that's when we came to know that it's India with and they're sharing the surname too, point being, again, please call us, please ask. Yes, of course, we have AI. You can find all the information on net, but we are here to talk. I think a human connection, that's the reason why is always required, because we want to keep ourselves updated so that we can help.
हम तैयार है फोन करने के लिए. क्या है नंबर बताइए?
No, so I will. So there's 04 2525 516.
ये वीरेंद्र ने सवाल पूछा, इसके लिए मैंने आपसे पूछा. 0425255516.
Yes.
How many millions you paid for this special? We'll continue the conversation. अगर आपके पास भी कोई सवाल, you can always send us a WhatsApp 0586861003. 9:37 on the clock. Vivek और निकिता आपके साथ है. We have Priyesh Sethi with us, AGM Marketing at Tally Solutions. We're talking about Tally's Ramadan initiative, Zaria. We also have in our studios Mansi Shah from City One Tourism and Travel. A lot of people have been asking the number, तो मैं सबको दे रहा हूँ. City One Tourism का नंबर जो है 0525255516. And fantastic initiative, Priyesh, I must say. ये initiative आपने देखा होगा, सुना होगा इसके बारे में. How did this idea strike वैसे तो?
So, as I told before, Zaria is not something that happened over a week.
It was there since a long time.
Yes, it was there on my mind for a long time now. It's just that we were not able to come out with something which was very, very clear in our mind, that how do we go about it. But yes, with our discussions with City One tours, I think we understood that this is where we can, you know, take their help and make it work.
So as brands ना क्या होता है रमजान के टाइम पे they do iftars, they do this
Yeah.
giving campaigns.
That's right.
But you thought कि ये campaign would be even more effectful, मतलब impact ज़्यादा होगा?
I would say that it's not about impact किससे ज़्यादा होगा, because when you're serving thousands of people those free meals, I think that's a great impact. And no disrespect to what others are doing. I think they're doing a phenomenal job. We also tried doing iftar meals last year, and before that we did iftar events for partners. But are we reaching out to the needy people, first of all? And secondly, is it something that they cannot afford, which we are trying to help them with, or is this something else that will make a bigger, make it feel like celebration? 15 dirham iftar meal probably is something that's they might be able to afford for themselves, but reaching out home, going and giving a hug to your mother, your father, is something priceless.
And imagine कि ये अगर surprise हुआ तो
Oh my
और भी.
God.
हाँ, मानसी?
Exactly.
I have goosebumps. I was thinking about it.
You've experienced something like that. Have you given surprises and have you heard
Yes.
stories? ऐसा हाँ.
So I wanna
Yeah.
tell you, like, you know, when we were connecting about this and we were on a video call explaining what Zaria is, and she wanted to understand what it really means. I told Mansi, just close your eyes and imagine you are fasting. Imagine it's been 5 years, you have not seen your family, and you really want to go and hug your parents, hug your family, bring Eidi, take Eidi for them,
Yeah.
and now you know you don't have enough money. How do you feel?
Right.
And that gave immediate answer.
ये तो
Priyesh,
real
let's
situation
do it.
बता दिया लोगों के यार. प्रियेश आपने इमेजिन करने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी.
But Priyesh, I have to ask you this: campaigns like Zaria is just not marketing; it's beyond that. It's about carrying real emotions.
Yeah.
So how do you balance that brand impact and human impact together?
See, it's very, very important to ensure that the brand impact and the human impact are not at the odds, but they are actually reinforcing each other.
Right.
If that's been taken care of, then I think it's sorted.
Yeah.
The objective of Zaria, or the goal, wasn't that we get the visibility through
Okay.
this. Otherwise, we could have just called it Tally Zaria.
Huh,
That's
yeah.
not what we are trying to
Right.
achieve from this, but to create real, positive change. And if as a brand we can enable, empower, and if we are able to uplift our audience with something that holds enough value for them, I think that's what we're trying to solve with it.
So what destinations are we targeting? Is it India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, or is it Vietnam, or Mansi?
I think before we went on a break also this topic came up. Yes, we do have those destinations for Eid. That's called the fixed departures that I was talking about.
Okay.
But when you're talking about the collaboration, yes, it's completely. We see majority of our expats are from these countries that you mentioned. So yes, we are looking at those countries. But again, the hometown should just be in your passport. So I think that is the main thing.
Couple of important things to add here is that, of course, it is for you to celebrate Eid with your family. So it's not that you deserve it, but you want to keep it for later.
So this
so
is
that's
going to
not
be
gonna work.
during 28 से लेके?
That's right, yeah. So from your Eid time, let's say you might want to celebrate Eid a little later, a week later. That's understood.
Right.
But it won't be that I get my tickets and then I can spend it maybe 3 months
1
later,
year
5 months
validity
later.
नहीं है.
No,
Okay.
it's not like that. And that's why it's important for us to know who really wants it.
So I think it's because it's for a cause, right? We do have amazing offers otherwise, like we were talking about. But this is particularly for those, like how Priyesh mentioned, like who've not been for 5 years, 3 years, or even for that matter, it's been a year and you just want to be with your family, because festival is again all about being with family. So this is what.
And there could
it
be
is
other
for.
factors, right? There could be someone who's waiting for you for a long time is one, but someone who needs your immediate attention.
Yeah.
It could be someone critically ill and you're not being able to travel, but you really want to see them before anything goes wrong.
हम यहाँ पे अपने फैमिलीज के साथ रह के ना ये रियलाइज नहीं करते कि यहाँ पे कितने लोग अकेले रहते हैं. दे आर लोनली एंड दे हैव टू मीट देयर फैमिलीज.
Correct.
सो आई थिंक दिस इज अ ब्रिलियंट कैंपेन. इस पे अगर और आपको कोई सवाल पूछना है, You can always give us a call 800-81003 या WhatsApp 0586861003. Tally का रमदान इनिशिएटिव जरिया उसकी बातें हो रही है सिटी वन टूरिज्म से. We've got Mansi Shah with us and we are talking about festival and travel and celebrations. And this is such a brilliant initiative. You know, I can't really thank Priyesh enough for this wonderful initiative. But also, you know, beyond tourism, Mansi, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, you've built businesses in multiple countries. Is that
Yes.
true?
Yes.
And what drives you to keep expanding?
I think just the fact that in general, when you talk about business, it's nothing but on collaboration on a larger scale. I think it's not just now, it's from the time age of the human itself. I think it's just collaboration on a larger phase. And so we have our business in Africa. Again, I feel it's one of those countries least explored, but a beautiful country.
Places like?
So the particular country that we are associated with is Uganda.
Okay.
So it's a beautiful country, and it's how well you have opportunities over there. So we have a hotel there, we have a brewery, and we have a marketing team there, distribution company. So I think just that way, we of course have our back office of tourism in India too,
Okay.
because again, India is
Yeah.
like you can't grow without having connected to your roots. So definitely that is there. We've had an office in Georgia for the longest time. So I think just these little collaborations, and of course, you know, you travel around the world. Like I said, I think we're just a family who loves traveling, and then when you travel, you also learn that you have some amazing opportunities out there.
Right.
So I think that way the expansion just happened. And
युगांडा में क्या है देखने लायक, मानसी?
you know, actually, the wildlife is really nice.
Okay.
It's just very underrated, if I may say. But it's amazing. The wildlife is amazing. At the same time, it's just so beautiful country. If you're looking for fresh air,
अच्छा.
good food,
Yeah.
good, like when I say good food is like good produce. That itself is like your Uganda holiday is safal because you have, I mean, the size of an avocado. If you will just compare when you see the avocados that we get here. Actually, on this note, I will get you some next time because I
wow.
cannot explain it well. Like,
Okay.
yeah, they're just so creamier. They're just so big in size, and so that's just the simplest example I can give you. But in
Right.
general, they produce because the air is so
ये
fresh.
तो
it's
बिजनेस
very
आइडिया दे दिया
fertile.
आपने यार. मैं तो खोलने वाला विवेक से एवोकाडो दुकान, something like that. huh?
Avocado dukan.
Fresh
Nice.
from
We'll be
Uganda.
your distributors. Done.
But Mansi, when is a good time to go to Uganda, for example?
You know, that's the best part about Uganda because it's based on the equator. You will find everything, all the different kind of seasons. You will find it in the 24 hours that you're there.
Oh, nice.
It's there's all of a sudden you'll find this nice breeze of air
Oh.
happening. Then in the afternoon it might just rain. So in Uganda people always carry their caps and their umbrellas
अच्छा.
and a wind cheater because सब कुछ एक ही दिन में मिल जाएगा
अरे
आपको.
वाह.
So just imagine, I mean, कितने पैसे बच रहे हैं सोचो. You get all the kind of climate seasons there. So yeah.
You better be prepared then, right,
Yes,
when you're going there.
absolutely.
Right?
And
So,
Priyesh से
Yeah.
जानेंगे about the expansion for Tally as well because you know मानसी ने तो बता दिया कि वो तो बहुत ज़्यादा travel कर रही है, तो Tally वाले भी पीछे क्यों रहे, हम भी बताएंगे.
Yeah. We are definitely traveling a lot these days, and Saudi is a key market for Tally as well. I've been going there quite often now. We recently participated at Leap as well, which is another form of a tech exhibition like how we have GITEX in UAE. There are plans to, of course, go more stronger in markets like Oman, Qatar, and also for a reason that there've been talks around compliance, e-invoicing coming in Bahrain and UAE very soon. Qatar's to probably follow VAT regime as well. So there's definitely a need for businesses and small businesses to have a right partner, right technology in place, and that's where we fit in.
So Mansi, have you always wanted to travel, and have you always thought that you will start your own tourism company or things like that?
Always wanted to travel, always have been traveling. Now I think just the whole concept of
Yeah,
travel, I
yeah.
think this is one of the first line of business that started I feel in world because for the longest time, a man has been traveling from one place to another for
Very
better business opportunities, for just better growth. So I feel that has always been there from the start of time. And like, I mean, even when you must have had conversations with your grandparents, बोले, हम किधर जा रहे हैं, हम यात्रा पे जा रहे हैं, pilgrimage करके आ रहे हैं, you know. So that's always been there. Yes, of course, now travel has been associated with holidays, with leisure, but then there was a sense of leisure always when it comes to traveling. You are at leisure if you're not if there is no luxury. Maybe my source of luxury and your source of luxury can be different. For one, it can be being in a beautiful place. For another, it can just be the knowledge, the experience. So I think that travel was always something. I think travel is there in everybody's system. We just have to like kind of get there.
ऐसा भी होता है ना, बहुत लोग जब ट्रैवल करते हैं, they come back, they need to recover from that travel and then they plan the next travel.
That's me.
ये ऐसा क्यों होता है,
Yes.
मानसी?
Because hum also, you know, I think we are, as humans, we want to do everything.
Yeah.
So many things in a day. So I think because when you travel to a particular destination, you're like, मैं ये भी कर लूँ, वो भी कर लूँ. So I think because of that, definitely that happens. But also it gives you, I mean, I've heard from my clients also, they say, yes, it was very tiring, but we get a kick out of it.
Yeah, I think it's
So-
more about, you watch this movie, Ye Jawani Hai Deewani,
Yeah.
quite
Yes.
popular,
Yeah.
yeah. So it depends on kind of personality you are. Are you Ranbir Kapoor personality or are you a Deepika Padukone personality who would want to stay and just enjoy the view and come back, relax, much more peaceful?
But you know, you can discover if you're Ranbir or Deepika only if you constantly keep traveling. Because the
Yeah.
more you travel, the more you understand what exactly are you looking from a particular holiday. And I think that just helps you in general of understanding what are you looking. And once you know that, trust me, it's an amazing experience.
But ऐसा बोलते हैं ना that you know when you are in Rome, do like what the Romans do.
Yeah.
Is it true? हमें वैसा ही करना चाहिए कि हम तो
So-
देसी खाना ढूंढते हैं, हम यूरोप जाते हैं, हमको वही चाहिए.
So I'll tell you why not. I'll ask you that way. Why not do what the Romans do when you travel to Rome? For example, when you're traveling to a particular destination, it's also loving and welcoming their culture. And I think every country becomes rich as a travel destination when you get associated with its culture, with its heritage. Like for example, if you're coming to Dubai, and you know, I'm sure you must have seen this outside most of the malls. That there's especially if you see out of Dubai Mall, outside Dubai Mall, they have a little picture sharing how you should be dressed. So,
Respectful dressing.
Respectful dressing.
Yeah.
So is that I mean, we all know the way Dubai has grown over the years. So definitely it's open. I mean, we are where we are today. I think for tourism company, Dubai is the main hub to open.
Right.
Because tourism is their main vision if you go to see for Dubai. You know, even the things that they have made new
Business
ventures.
hub
they've
हो
supposed-
गया
yes.
या फिर you know.
So, but if you just follow a little bit of their culture and just respect that, I feel that makes so much of a difference, right? And you get to learn something new, so why not?
Right. And I'm sure that, you know, Priyesh, about Zaria, a quick roundup for everyone, a summary campaign के बारे में.
Yep. So Zaria is about, bringing people together. Those who cannot really afford to go and celebrate Eid with their families, I think they should definitely come up, write their stories. If you know someone who deserves to go, please nominate such people. Go to our Instagram handle TallyMeena. On the bio, you'll find a link to submit your entries. And our team, in collaboration with City One Tours, will definitely go through your stories and come back to those who really need to visit. So this is about Zaria. You can be part of this mission. You can be the Zaria and help someone.
So Priyesh, I have to ask you this before we wind up. It's because of the fact that Zaria has come together with City One Tours. I have to ask this: will this continue in the years to come? Are you planning to keep this as a continual movement, or still in the planning phase?
So it totally depends. So Tally will continue, of course, but
Right.
it totally depends on how people respond to this campaign. How many people really want that there's this urge to send
Very true.
the needy people back home, to scale this campaign to much more heights and to send more number of people maybe next year.
On a lighter note, one-way ticket मिल रहा है कि two-way?
It's a two-way.
It's a two-way.
सब पूछ रहे हैं हमें.
विवेक आपको नहीं मिल रहा है.
No, but we'll
मैं
have
वो
this.
जरिया बनना चाहता हूँ जहाँ पे लोगों को ये मौका मिले, और
Yes.
टैली ये मौका दे रहा है, तो
Lovely.
यार टैली मीना के Instagram पे जरूर जाइए. रैपिड फायर का टाइम आ गया.
Absolutely. We have to do this rapid fire round. So one word and one thought. Huh? So we'll start with you, Mansi, and then Priyesh can join in with the question. So the first question is dream festival destination. Kaun sa hai?
Okay, I'm gonna answer this quickly in three.
Yes, yes.
I think it's Holi, Vrindavan.
Okay.
Eid, when you are going for Hajj, Makkah Madina,
Okay.
and I think Christmas for in Lapland.
Wonderful.
ये सवाल मुझसे पूछो यार. मैं बोलूँगा Tomorrowland.
Priyesh, no Tomorrowland, but Priyesh, अब आपका बारी है. Now you have to tell us.
Oh my God.
Yes.
I love going back home, meeting my family. So for me, every festivity is about my family. So go back to India, Noida.
Wonderful. So that one UAE experience everyone should try, Mansi.
Desert Safari, hands down, OG. Desert Safari it is.
What about you, Priyesh?
Yeah, same. I go with the same. Yes.
Yeah.
I think it's enthralling.
Okay. A festival you should never miss. 1, 2, 3.
Any festival, I think in general, any festival. Why would you want to miss any?
But that one
festival?
festival in your mind.
For me, it's Diwali.
Diwali.
So you
okay.
have to go home during Diwali, is it?
Yes, I have to go home
For
during
me,
Diwali.
it's Holi.
Holy.
Holy.
Get colorful, just kill the world.
Yeah.
Next one. Most underrated travel spot in UAE.
I think Fujairah.
Okay.
Fujairah, absolutely.
क्या है फुजेरा में? Honey, real honey मिलता है वहाँ.
You know, it's actually amazing. It's a combination of everything, and as over the time you must have discovered, like I love this where you get सब कुछ एक ही चीज
Yes,
में.
yeah.
So I think you have beautiful beaches. It's not. It's still very raw. So you get to see
ज़्यादा
that.
commercialized नहीं
ज़्यादा
है.
commercialized नहीं है.
Right.
And they have some really good cafe brands also. So it's not that I mean, it's not that it's not well developed,
Okay.
but I think it's just not well reached. So I think Fujairah.
And you, Priyesh?
Russell Khema. I
Oh.
love spending.
Underrated लग रहा है रासेल खेमा.
I
जितने
love
hotels
going
है
there.
वहाँ.
Yeah, the resorts and the
Yeah.
staycations people take.
So far, you can still say till the time we get casinos there.
Okay. Okay. So travel in style or travel light?
Travel in style but light.
Interesting.
ये
Priyesh?
कैसे करते हैं मानसी?
I think these days, traveling light is the style.
Good one, yeah. So Priyesh, one word that defines Zaria.
Bridge.
Bridge. Okay.
Yeah.
Mansi?
Connections. Yeah, similar.
Wonderful. And your favorite Eid memory, Mansi?
Sevaiyan.
Don't
There's
say,
so
yeah.
many. Yes, Eidi also, but Sevaiyan. Sevaiyan ki kheer is the only reason why I would get up in the morning, get dressed, and just be there. So when sorry, I know it's rapid, but when Priyesh said that Mansi, it's a festival thing that we're celebrating, let's wear ethnic.
Right.
So मैं expect कर रही थी कि सेवइयाँ भी मिलेंगी.
क्यों नहीं?
Yeah.
And your Eid memory, favorite one,
It
Priyesh?
goes back to 2008. My roommate was Muslim, and
Okay.
he introduced me to this concept of Eid
Right.
and Sevaiyan, of course. And his mother used to come and cook for us. This was amazing.
And the best part of homecoming, Mansi?
The hug. The hugs. I think, yeah.
Priyesh?
For me as well, I think it's the warmth that you get.
I could see that in your smile when you were seeing Mansi's
Yeah.
reaction. A marketing campaign that moved you, Mansi?
I think the Vande
Vande Bharat.
Vande Bharat, yeah.
Yeah, Vande Bharat was something. Yeah.
Was something, yeah.
I think for me, it's when we were very young, Airtel's, Har Ek Friend Zaruri Hota Hai.
Yes, that campaign, yes.
Today also, there's someone who's probably waking you up with a morning call, your alarm wala friend, the one who joins you at the gym, your gym wala friend, the one who's stopping you to not smoke,
Oh, yeah.
your true friend.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of such people. I think that campaign resonates.
So, Mansi, what's that next big thing in travel you foresee?
I think the fact that any age group and any destination.
Okay.
So any age group can travel.
Yeah.
And any destination can be your travel destination. I think, yeah.
That's
that
going to be the
itself.
new trend.
Absolutely, absolutely.
What about you, Priyesh?
I would say Zaria. The next big thing in travel is Zaria. I would want it
Yeah.
to see this campaign growing so big that every year we are able to send millions of people back home.
Yeah.
Not just in UAE but even across globe.
Brilliant, yeah. Fantastic initiative. Tally Meena के अगर Instagram पे जाएंगे, you'll get all the details about Zaria. It was an amazing session, Priyesh and Mansi.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best. City One Tourism के बारे में आपको और जानना है, you can always give them a call. The number is 0425255516. Thank you so much, Ramadan Kareem.
Thank you.
Ramadan
Ramadan
Kareem, thank you
Kareem.
so much for joining us, Mansi and Priyesh.
Thank you
The
so
pleasure
much
was
for
ours.
having us
More
here.
power
Thank
to
you.
City One Tours and to Zaria.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.